Alright YouTube, I don't usually make videos, but maybe you guys can help me. I recently got this car, a 2004 Kia Optima, and I'm going to tell you about it before I tell you the problem. I drove the car home. This is talking about the day I got it. I drove this car home. It had a miss. I got to my house. It was running. And I went to unplug this coil pack to see if it was good. And as soon as I unplugged the coil pack, the car died. And it hadn't started since then. I have an OBD2 reader. The only code it popped up was coil pack. So this is a brand new coil pack. That's a brand new coil pack. This wiring harness is brand new. The reason I got the wiring harness is because I had this old harness right here, and this was the one that went right here, which is jacked up, so I thought that might be the problem. So the wiring harness is new, coil pack's new, and I've checked the fuel. It's getting fuel, and I've checked all the fucking fuses. Even looked over here at the timing belt, because people keep talking about how they're bad on this car. It seems tight, none of the teeth are missing. And now, since I put the new coil packs, the OBD2 reader has 0 codes on the car, and it still don't start. It just cranks. And I was testing the spark with this little gadget I got, and I'm waiting on one of my buddies to come here to turn the key, because I can't look at it and turn the key. So until that happens, I'm pretty sure it might not be getting spark. So if you know why it might not be getting spark, you can enlighten me, that'd be great. Or give me your 2 cents why this car ain't starting, which is weird because it was starting. I drove it here and I had it at my house all of fucking 10 minutes, and now it doesn't fucking run and it ain't started. But I'll try to start it so you can hear what it does. The battery. I wonder why the check engine light's on, but it has 0 codes. That's interesting. Well, thank you guys. If you could help me with that, that would be fantastic.